In this video, we're going to write a function that returns the largest of 4 values without using Python's max function. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to define a function, I'll call it maximum, that takes in 4 values. You can call them whatever you want. In this case, I'll call them A, B, C, and D. So now we just need to compare and find the largest value. So let's start with A. So we can say if A is greater than B, and if A is greater than C, and if A is greater than D, we know that A is the largest value, so we can return it. Alright, so let's move on to B. And so we can say else if, and so that's elif in Python. And since we already checked A to see if it was the largest, and returned it if it was, if we get here in the code, we know that A is not the largest. So we don't even need to compare B to A. We could just skip that. So let's do B is greater than C, if B is greater than C, and if B is greater than D, then we can return B. And then we'll do the same thing for C, and we know it's not A, we know it's not B, so now we just need to make sure that C is larger than D. And if it is, then we'll return it. Alright, so we know it's not A, we know it's not B, and we know it's not C. That only leaves our D value left. And if that's the case, we can just return it. So let's try it out. I'll do print, and I'll call my function maximum, and I'll give some values here. Let's do 4, 2, sits, 1. Alright, let's try that. And we get sits, which is our largest value. So let me change this up, make that 13. And let's try running it again. Alright, 13. Let me make this 44. Try running it again, get 44. And I can make this 200. And we get 200. Alright, hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to answer, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.